Page Replacement Algorithm by Jerome Dita Valle. I'm here to discuss first in, first out algorithm. Let me define you what is first in, first out. The first in, first out algorithm is a method used in computing and data processing to manage data structure like queues and buffers. It follows the principle of first come, first serve, where the first item to be added to the queue is the first one to be removed. This process is order they will receive, resembling a line of people waiting for a service, where the person who arrived first is served first. So, yung algorithm na to is may pagkakahalintulad siya sa first come, first serve. This is the given example. 15, 16, 14, 11, 12, 17, 11, 15, 14, 18, 19, 17, 16, and 20. So, we're gonna fill up the 4 frames before the first in, first out algorithm start. So, we fill up the 15 and the page fault is checked, and 16, 14, and 11 in the time frames. So we're ready to replace the first in, first out. We enter the value of 12 and replace the value of 15. And so the next one is we enter the value of 17 and page replace the value of 16, and when I enter the value of 11 and still remaining because it is still in the time frames. Next is we enter the value of 15 and page replace by 14. Next one is we enter the value of 14 and replace the value of 12. So yung old frame is napapalitan. Like kung sino yung unang pumasok, yun yung pinapalitan. And the next one is the value of 18. We replace the value of 17 with the value of 18. The time frame is 11. In the time 11, we enter the value of 19 and replace the oldest value, which is 11. And the next one is the value of 17. We enter the value of 17 and replace the oldest value, which is 15. 16. We enter the value of 16 and replace the value of 14. And for the last one is the value of 20 and replace the value of 18. And the final algorithm is 16, 20, and 17, 19. And that's all for my discussion. I hope you learned something for my discussion, the first in, first out algorithm. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.